Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin now. Locate the required vendor or merchant as soon as you have the right quest progression. The face paint unlocks after certain story beats, so confirm you've passed that trigger. Once done, open your pouch and ensure you have enough currency and trade parts, because vendors accept both. Make your way to a major settlement, merchants their stock cosmetic options. Don't wander, head straight to the NPC and initiate interaction to view face paint options. Next, buy and equip. When at the merchant, choose the cosmetics or outfits section to browse available face paints. You pay with the game's currency or specific trade items, so confirm the purchase and the item goes into your inventory. After buying, open your inventory, switch to the Outfit or Appearance tab, and select the face paint slot. Apply it to alloy. Changes reflect immediately. If you want a different look, repeat purchases or find other vendors for unique patterns. Finish up and verify. Once you've applied the face paint, save the game to preserve the new appearance. Don't rely on autosave alone. If you want rarer patterns, visit various merchants in other settlements or check vendor rotations. Some items appear only after specific quests or in expansions. If you can't find face paint, make sure you've reached the required story milestone and own any necessary DLC. If problems persist, restart the game and revisit the vendor to force the inventory to refresh.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.